Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Pet Name Reroller and also Pet Lead in Grow Garden. Okay guys, let's get into it. The Pet Name Reroller and also the Pet Lead are the new items in Grow Garden. And if you want to unlock the items, you can upgrade your pet shop. I'm going to talk to the NPC and then I'm going to click on show me the egg shop. Okay, and if you want to get the pet name reroller and also the pet lead, you can unlock tier 2. And to unlock tier 2, you need to increase your friendship level with this NPC to level 3. And to increase the level, you can feed the NPC with the food you have cooked up like this. You just need to click on feed and just remember that it has cooldown time, so I recommend you to feed the NPC with prismatic food or transcendent food. Okay, and after you feed the NPC, your friendship level will be increased and you will be able to unlock tier 2. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to show you the function of the new items. Wait, I'm going to view the shop. Okay, tier 2. And this is the ability of this pet name reroller. You can pick a new random name for your pet and it costs 10 million shekels. And for the pet lead, it can make your pet follow you for 10 seconds. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 50 million shekels. And yeah, it's not OP, I think, and I think it's useless, guys. But you can try it if you have a lot of shekels just for fun. Okay, guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.